Hi guys, this is the GAZWORLD channel. I'm here at CMC in Chesterfield, Derbyshire, just doing a little walk around review on the new 2022 Yamaha MT07 in Cyan stone colour. It's a beautiful naked bike. It's got a 689cc CP2 engine, 4-stroke liquid cooled parallel twin. It produces 73.4 horsepower at 8,750 RPM, 67 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, 6-speed gearbox, LED projector headlight and LED rear tail light. That's your parallel twin. It's really well made. Petrol tank is 14 litres and average fuel consumption is 51 to 55 miles per gallon. 6-speed gearbox, nice shifter. An inverted LCD screen with a very nice quality feel to that, with it being inverted. Front brake discs, 4 piston calipers with 298mm discs and ABS. It's got some nice air scoops on there. Front suspension, 41mm fork with 130mm travel. Rear suspension is a monoshock with 130mm of travel. There you have it. Seat height is 805mm. It's got a ground clearance of 140mm. Total length is 2085mm. It's really well made, nice bike. And you've got your air intakes there to keep that engine cool. Nice LEDs. That's your storm grey. Rear brake disc, single piston caliper with a 245mm disc, still ABS, and then you've got your nice Cyan wheels, 17-inch 10-spoke wheels, Michelin Road 5 tyres, LED tail light, LED indicators. That colour's really growing on me, it's nice. It's got a top speed of approximately 136 miles an hour. .51 miles to gallon is really good. Not as good as the other review, the little MT07 I did. Some lovely bikes here at CMC. I've just done a review on that one, so check out my other videos. XSR125 2022 model. Some nice BMW GS 1200s in stock. Plenty to choose from here at CMC. That's a beauty. That's the Yamaha R7 GP Anniversary Edition, 60th anniversary. I also did a walk around review on the GP Anniversary Edition, so be sure to check my other videos out. It's really nice, that one, pale white. So back to the MT07. This bike, like I say, it's available at CMC Chesterfield, Derbyshire, so be sure to check the website out in the description below. And this one, I've been told, £7,000 or just under 7,000 on the road. Worth every penny in my opinion. It's beautiful. Nice petrol cap. You got your LED headlights at front, which has grown on me. They're a bit controversial when it first came out, but I think after seeing it in flesh, it's definitely grown on me, as it probably will everybody else. So, thanks for watching. I've been GAZWORLD. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you.